Once you build up your momentum and you have your online business running, then it's kind of easy to hit your first $1,000 in one day. But what if you're in a hurry and you don't really want to build a sustainable online business, but you just want to make $1,000 as fast as possible? Well, if you're in a hurry, these are 5 different ways you can make $1,000 today and get paid within the first 24 hours. Keep in mind that most of these methods that I'll share will not make you rich or a millionaire, and it's not how you build a sustainable online business. But if you're really in a hurry, you can try some of these to make your first money online. Alright, so in order to actually make $1,000 as fast as possible, you need to avoid everything that requires you to build a website, build a social media followers, be experienced, have a lot of skills, or do anything that requires a lot of time and a lot of work. So we need to avoid all of these things. And what I mean from task taking is essentially going to different websites that pay you to complete different tasks and then just taking as many of them as possible in one single day, and literally spending hours, if not 10 to 15 hours, just to complete as many different tasks. There's website like instagc.com that gives you digital gift cards and rewards instantly. So they pay you instantly within the first 24 hours, and you can complete surveys, you can watch videos, ads, shop online, search the web. So you can help them complete different tasks and they'll pay you out instantly. There's also a website called Survey Time where you can get instantly rewarded with one for every survey that you complete. So you can start answering different questions and start completing different surveys to get paid. There's also cashstars.com where you can get instantly rewarded for watching videos, playing music, browsing Google, playing video games, and completing different tasks. And the second way that you can make your first 1,000 today or make $1,000 as fast as possible is through Audible affiliate program. You see, Audible is this platform that Amazon made for selling different audiobooks, and their affiliate program pays you $5 when someone signs up for free. So you can give ebooks for free, and whenever someone just signs up and gets those ebooks for free, you get paid $5 without even selling anything. All you would have to do is to convince 200 people today to sign up through your affiliate link to make $1,000. It's not going to be easy. It would obviously be absolutely hard, but it is possible. So you can perhaps join a bunch of different Facebook groups, make as many YouTube videos, make as many Instagram posts and TikTok and Pinterest posts, and go to different forums and ask your friends and family and ask around for as many people to just sign up through your referral link, where they can also get free ebook, they can get a free trial and free membership. If they sign up through a link, you are paid $5 per person, and then an additional $10 if someone actually ends up buying. But that's not going to happen in the first day. But in the first day, you can still get paid $5 for every free membership. Again, 200 memberships would essentially mean $1,000. Option number 3 is to use CPA network like TapMob. This is an app that I usually talk about where you can essentially get paid $5 to $10 per email collected. So you all have these different offers inside of the TapMob app. You copy an affiliate link for one of these offers, and when someone signs up through your link without even buying anything, you still get paid like $5 to $10 depending on the offer that you choose. So if you choose an offer, I personally always have offers that pay me $5 per email. For example, I would just need to collect 200 emails today to make $1,000. Number 4 is the big problem affiliate. That essentially means finding a big problem that people have and then finding a solution and then finding an affiliate program in that solution. So for example, I saw that a lot of people have a big problem with making money with YouTube automation. They didn't know how to get monetized. It took them years to get monetized, and they would miss out on tens of thousands of dollars that they could have otherwise been making if they were monetized from the start. So I found this monetization service at dfidave.com monetization, and thousands of people signed up, and thousands of people are grateful for that service. And now they have an affiliate program where you can essentially get paid almost $500 per sale. So just 3 sales of a service from this platform would mean $1,000 in affiliate commissions or $1,000 in profit. So you can just find any big problem, then a solution to that problem, and then just sign up for an affiliate program with that solution. And most of these programs and products are actually solutions to big problems. Option number 5 is to essentially just to sell your own stuff. You probably have a lot of things that are just running around your house and you don't really use, and you're just thinking like, yeah, but maybe in the future I'm going to use it. Let's be honest, you're not going to. You can just go these different websites and you can sell it. If you go to worthy.com, you can sell your jewelry, for example. So anything that you have, you can just set an auction and you can sell it. And then you can also just go to a bunch of different websites where you can essentially sell your old stuff, whether it's going to be on Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, eBay. You can just sell everything old that you're not using anymore, and that you are lying to yourself that you're going to use it in the future, and we both know that you're not going to use it. I hope that you got some value out of this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you in next time.